Good evening everyone. In this video we are going to study typical stress versus strain diagram for a ductile material. On x-axis we have taken the strain, on y-axis we have taken the value of stress. So the curve starts from origin. You have to start it from origin. From O to A we have a linear graph or a linear curve. Hence this limit is called as up till A proportional limit, or the graph is linear, hence this is called as the proportional limit. Fine. Then when we move on the graph from A to B, this again is a linear, but it is having some increasing slope. Fine. So up till point B you have to draw a vertical line. This is the elastic limit. This is the elastic limit, or the point B is the yield point. It is the last final point up to which the elastic behavior can be studied. Fine. But the proportional limit is up to A. But from A to B there is a margin, there is an extra stretch or an extra edge for the yield point. Hence from O to B, by drawing this vertical, you can call this region as the elastic limit. Fine. And usually up till 0.1, this is the 1%, the strain which is the less than 1% for the particular material up till a point A. Now when we will go from point B to C, here the plastic deformation starts. That is, the elastic limit of the object or material starts to decline and the plastic nature comes into picture. And up till point C, if we release the amount of stress we are applying, the graph will not further move. It will go back to a particular value of strain, and this is the permanent set. This is the amount of strain which will remain with the object now. This cannot be undone. Fine. This is the permanent strain. So C point is the point. It is the first point where there is plastic deformation in the wire or the ductile material. Fine. And if we will not remove the stress and we will keep on elongating or seeing the strain, we see a hump and a curve and finally a point D. D is called as a fracture point. Here the wire or the object or the material finally goes through a fracture and it breaks down, and it is up till the strain's value up till this point is 30%. Usually the fracture point attains up till this point, and this particular region, this is having a large value of strain for even very small values of stress. That is why it is increasing in nature.